Hi, it's Sofia from FlowShare, and I'm so excited to show you our latest version, FlowShare 3.0 Golden Gate. Let's dive right in. We have redesigned the sidebar. I am going to capture a process and show you what changed. Now in Word, I'm just going to merge cells, and you can record as per usual anything you want, be it desktop or browser apps. Now that I've finished my recording, you can see the sidebar changed. Now we can collapse combined steps, which makes it easier to navigate and move them around to any place you want. The whole experience, especially if you edit longer flows, is so much smoother and easier. You'll really enjoy it. So apart from changing the sidebar, we also reworked the settings, creating dedicated tabs for special topics like recording, language. We also added an extra small arrow size because it was requested so much. So really hope you enjoy it. And you can find all the settings you need here, set everything up. And when you roll out FlowShare in your team, in your company, just export them as per usual and import them on other machines. What is also special about this version is this whole redesign export process. Now there's three ways to export them. Publishing online, the static page or interactive demo, which publishes your flow to the FlowShare portal. Local exports, the ones you use and love, including your custom templates and including our latest and updated box template and box landscape. Try this one out. And direct integrations are no more hidden in the depths of the settings, but very visible. And you can set them up directly in the export dialog. And once they're set up, they're ready to go, and you can use them to export your flows and the tools you already use and love. This was a very brief review of what you can do and what you can achieve with the latest FlowShare version. We can't wait for you to try this out and tell us what you think. Have fun.